Zussman. Welcome to Preschool to Go. I'm very excited for our journey together. You'll be able to see me, but I won't be able to see you, so I'm going to send home some homework for you to do and turn back into me for me to get to know you. Then every once in a while we'll have a pop-up where you'll get to come to meet me in person, and I'll get to meet you in person. Today I have a story for you called I Love School. School, school, school. I love school. I love the bus that comes this way to take us where we'll spend the day. With all my friends, I laugh and sing. I talk about most everything. I love to build great big black walls. I love to play with baby dolls. I love to draw trains speeding by. I love to paint birds flying high. It's recess when the school bell rings. I like the slides. I like the swings. I kick the ball when we go out. I just like to run and shout. Who likes to run and shout? It's fun to do that outside. I count numbers 1, 2, 3. I write letters X, Y, Z. Let's watch Harvey Rabbit munch. I can hardly wait for lunch. Yum, 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 lunchtime. I'll trade my yummy cheese and ham for your peanut butter and jam. Won't do that, but I will trade my apple juice for lemonade. It's story time. Let's read the book about a trip some sailors took to a strange land far away. Perhaps we'll go there too someday. We're reading a story together right now, just like this book. And what I like the most, you guessed, is your teacher. She's the best. I hope you enjoy it. School, school, school. I love school. That's the end of our story. See you next time. Bye.